we will discuss about chance and probability. Sometimes it happens that during rainy season you carry a raincoat every day, but it doesn't rain for many days. However, by chance one day you forget to take the raincoat and that day it rains heavily. Okay, it you consider other example, like sometimes it may happen that you prepare 4 chapters out of 5 very well for a test, but a long answered questions asked from the chapter that you left unprepared. Okay, what do you call it? You say that your luck is not with you today. Okay, you face a lot of situations such as these where you take a chance and it doesn't go the way you want it to. Okay, sometimes your father book a ticket of a train which is waitlisted. Okay, that time our father is taking a chance. He hopes that it might get confirmed by the time they travel. These are the examples where the chances of a certain things happening or not happening are not equal. That means it may happen or it may not happen. Now, consider some experiments whose results have an equal chance of occurring. You might have seen that before a cricket match starts, captains of the two teams go out to toss a coin to decide which team will bat first. Okay, what are the possible, and what you see there, one captain toss a coin and another captain makes the call. Now, what are the possible results when a coin is tossed? Of course, head or tail. That are the two possibilities. Now, can anybody control the result of the toss? Can you get a head if you want one or a tail if you want so? No, that is not possible. Such an experiment is called a random experiment. That means whose outcome is not controlled, is not in your hand. Okay, that sort of experiments are called random experiments. Head and tail are the two outcomes of when you are tossing a coin. Now you consider when a die is tossed a large number of times and each of the 6 outcomes become almost equal to each other. What are the 6 outcomes when you throw or toss a die? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, these, when you toss this die many a times, then the outcomes of these results 1, 2 or 3, 4, 5, 6 becomes almost equal. This means that each of the outcomes has the same chance of occurring. Okay, that means you can get 1, you can get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these outcomes are possible. When we consider of tossing a coin, you have got two outcomes, head and tail. There are only how many outcomes? Two outcomes. And both outcomes are equally possible. That means you can get head or tail. So chance of getting head or tail is 1 out of 2. Okay, so how to write? That is 2 are the total outcomes and head or tail is any one. Okay, so this is chance of getting either head or tail. Okay, this is called probability. This is called probability. Chance of getting an outcome. Now, when we throw a die marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if you throw it once, what are the outcomes? The outcomes may be these, any one of these. Okay, so there are 6 equally likely outcomes. Okay, so what is the probability of getting 2 as outcome? It is 1 by 6. So probability of getting 2 is 1 by 6. Now, if we write it in a good language, what is probability? Probability is, you can write this way, is number of favorable outcome and number of total observation. When you are tossing a coin or you are tossing a die, what is the chance or probability of getting head? That is, head and tail is number of total observation 2, and favorable outcomes it is 1. So the probability of getting head is 1 by 2. When you are throwing a die, it is how many possible observation? 6. Okay, and if you are consider the probability of getting say 4, what will the number of favorable outcomes is 1. Means among these 6 there is 1 4 only. So the number of favorable outcome is 1 and 6 possible or 6 total number of observations. So probability of getting 4 is 1 by 6. Okay, Now here that are outcomes are considered as event. Okay, each outcome of an experiment or a collection of outcomes make an event. Getting head or tail is an event. In case of throwing a die, getting each of the outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 is an event. Thank you.